Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the VB scripting that is used into a QTP for the scripting purpose. Okay, so we'll start with the variables in the VB script. So variables, the purpose of the variables in VB script is to store a data, okay, or you can hold a result into this, okay, or you can compare values using variables. Okay, like compare values, like if you say a equals to 100 and b equals to 200, and if you want to compare this, so these are the comparison. If you want to store a data, so like this you can use. If you want to hold a result, like say c is the variable and it stores the result of 10 into 20. Okay, this is the way you can use the variables in the QTP. Now in the VB scripting, it is not necessary to declare a variable. You can use the variable directly into your script. So that is called a implicit declaration of a variable if you use a variable into your script. But there is also a explicit declaration of a variable using dim statement. Okay, like this, dim x. It means you have declared a variable x. Okay, now the implicit declaration is not generally a good practice, because let's say if you misspell some variable name in one or more places, it can cause an unexpected results when your script is running. Okay, you can define the multiple variables by separating each variable name with a comma, x, y, z, like this. Okay, so let's see a small script using this. Okay, let's say I define dim let's say city. This is my variable, and if I assign some value to this city, let's say Dallas. Okay, and on message box if I write city, so it will print the Dallas value over here. Now let's say by mistake if I misspell this variable SIT. Now if I execute this code, it will return me a blank value. So here it's a mistake that we doesn't declare this variable and used it. Okay, to generally ignore this thing, there is a statement called option explicit in the VB scripting. Option explicit. Okay, this statement is available to require explicit declaration of all the variables. Okay, if the one thing is mandatory, that option explicit statement should be the first statement in your script. If you define the option explicit statement, now it will become mandatory to declare each and every variable. Now if you execute this code, see, it will give you error like SIT is undefined, because it assumes that it is your variable and you have not declared it. Now if you use like this SCIT, okay, comma, like I have defined this as well, so now it will not give you any error. So use option explicit statement to avoid incorrectly typing of any variable, or to avoid the confusion if you have a lengthy code and you are not clear about the scope of the variable. Okay, so these are the variable usage in the VB scripting. This is a scalar type of variables. Okay, in QTP there are two types of variables. The first thing is a scalar and the second is array variables. Okay, we will see array variables in the next video.